Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your microphone within Microsoft Teams. It's a bit of a pain when the thing doesn't work, so this is a nice, quick and easy tutorial to follow that will get you up and running in no time. Smash the like button, subscribe for more, and let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do then is we're going to just set up a quick meet now in Microsoft Teams. I'm just going to call that meeting with Nick. We're just going to start the meeting. We'll bring that into this screen over here and just maximize it. Okay, so straight off the bat, this is what we are going to be represented with. Now, if you load this screen up and your little microphone icon over here is actually giving you a bit of a red kind of cross through it, it's an indication that Microsoft Teams does not actually have access to the microphone that is selected here. Okay, in this case, it's the Shure MV7 microphone, which is the one that I am using right now to talk to you guys on. Okay, so if you're seeing that that is a problem, it means Microsoft Teams doesn't have access to actually using the microphone, right? Now that can be found, let me see if I can find the settings for you. So under settings here, okay, you would go over to privacy and security. From privacy and security, you would want to go down until you find microphone, which is right here. Give that a click. Then under microphone, the first thing you want to make sure that is switched on is microphone access. You turn that on. And then underneath that, you'll see that there's a list of different applications with either off or on. And you might want to make sure that Microsoft Teams has this toggled to on. If I toggle it off and I actually cancel our meeting here for a second and do a new meet now, again, we'll just get rid of that office guy, click start meeting. We bring this across, maximize that. It still hasn't actually shown me that that is, there you go. So you can see here now that this Microsoft Teams does not have access to the microphone, right? Which is what I had just toggled off right here. So if I toggle that on, okay, and minimize that off, this will actually go now back to black, as in indicating that we does indeed have access to the microphone. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to cancel again. We're going to click a new meet now. I'm just going to leave it like that. Bring that in. Pull this across. You can still see that it's giving me this. It's going to take a little bit of a moment here just to kind of update everything, and it will eventually actually go back to black. So if this is your problem and you are seeing this message popping up, it's because you need to navigate to settings, security and privacy, microphone, and then make sure that the app Microsoft Teams actually has access to use microphones. And that's all microphones. That is not just specific to this one here, which is Shure MV7. It could also be a host of others, which I have a few on here, which we're going to talk about in just a moment. I'm going to cancel this one more time and we're going to meet now, and hopefully this will actually go ahead and correct itself so that we can move on to the next stage, which now if I pull this back into the screen, you can see that it has indeed now got access to the microphones. Okay, so that's your first troubleshooting method. Basically, if it's showing red here, then Microsoft Teams cannot access any of your microphones, and you need to go into settings to basically activate it. Next, we want to click on the audio settings. Okay, so let's hypothetically say that Microsoft Teams has not detected the correct microphone. It happens more often than you might think. You might be sat on something like this one right here, which is my monitor, but my monitor does not have a microphone inbuilt in it. In fact, actually, that is the speaker, so it's actually this section right here. So I've actually got 5 different microphones. So it might be that actually it's on the incorrect microphone, right? Something that doesn't actually have a microphone attached to it, right? So for example, I'm not using the Camlink Pro Audio 4, right? There's no microphone attached to that, right? There is technically a microphone attached to the Audio 2, but it's really, really poor quality. So let's hypothetically say that you've just got the wrong microphone selected within Microsoft Teams. Well, you would need to go into your audio settings to make sure that you are actually connected to the correct microphone. In my case, I would want to make sure that I am, in fact, on the microphone Shure MV7, because that's the microphone that I am using right here. Okay, obviously, if you're using something different, you're going to have a different microphone within Microsoft Teams. It could be a built-in laptop microphone. It could be that you just have some other kind of device connected, like a webcam, and it is that microphone within the webcam that Microsoft Teams is trying to use, which of course would potentially fail if the webcam doesn't in fact have a microphone. So it's important to understand that there's multiple multiple different microphones that your device could be looking at, and Microsoft Teams might just be choosing the wrong one. Okay, so always make sure that you have the right microphone selected. There are some advanced settings such as, spatial kind of audio and things like that, background noise, but we aren't really here to talk about those. The other ones, of course, is you can speakers here. Now you've got headphones through the Shure MV7, which you can see I've got no headphones. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see. There's no headphones actually attached to this. So I'm not going to be able to hear anything, right? So I would have to make sure that I select whatever device has the headphones selected, or whether there is another audio device or speaker device connected. I would select it here. Okay, now for me, I use my monitor with headphones plugged into the monitor, right? So I can basically get the speaker through that. Okay, so I would have to make sure that that is selected correctly as well. Once we're happy with all those, we can close it and see if that solves your problem. Now, if all of that does not solve your problem, we have to go a little bit deeper into the Microsoft rabbit hole. Now, for that, the next thing that we want to do is we want to go and search up within settings for something that is called control panel, right? Which will look like this. Okay, this is your control panel. Now from here, we want to basically find sound, which is this one just over here. We can search for it at the top as well. Okay, go into sounds. Okay, in sounds, you're going to be seeing this one right here. You've got your playback devices, essentially your speakers, your headphones, and then you've got your recording devices, your microphones, and that's exactly what we would need to see. Okay, so in here, we obviously have a list of all of the different microphones, including the default, which is my Shure MV7. Now, if this was not my default, I would select it and set it as a default. So hypothetically, if I wanted Camlink Pro Audio 4 to be my default, I would select it and then set it as my default. And then Microsoft Teams is basically just going to be selecting your default microphone. Okay, so you can go ahead and try that. If that still doesn't work, you can click on your default microphone and you can either right click and go properties, or you can click on properties. Okay, from here, you've got different tabs: general, listen, levels, and advanced. Okay, now you don't generally want to mess around too much with this, but under levels here is basically where you'd have some gain. Okay, now if we were to click this little button here, it would mute the microphone. So if that is muted for you, well, there's a problem and you need to unmute your microphone. Also, if your microphone level is set too low, it might be that no one can actually hear you because the levels of your microphone are set too low, and you might want to move the gain up higher. Okay, now obviously this microphone here, I do a lot in edit rather than in Microsoft itself, but for Microsoft Teams, you don't have that luxury. So you might want to boost the gain on the volume levels of your microphone so that people can hear you. That could be another problem that you might be facing. Okay, and after all of that, you should be in a pretty solid position to make sure that your microphone is in fact working within Microsoft Teams. Now, if all of that fails on you, you might want to start checking cables, hardware issues, and things like that. It could be that maybe after everything, you just need a driver update on your microphone software as well. But ultimately, those issues that I've gone through, those are the quick kind of fire troubleshooting tips that I have for you when it comes to getting your microphone working within Microsoft Teams. You can let me know down below if you're still having issues, and maybe I can dig deeper into some more of the kind of troubleshooting. If it works for you, you can also let me know, and all that kind of good stuff. And guys, hopefully this has worked for you and gone through all the different troubleshooting tips that I have for you to get your microphone up and running. If it does, let me know in the comments down below if it doesn't, and of course, like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you all in the next one.